Firebreak KIA.
I feel like I should do this challenge. I'm just about to use like a pistol. That'd be cool. How many shots does it take? Oh my freaking goodness. Ah! Oh my god, he's scared the crap out of me. I hear a shotgun and I'm fucking scared. Well, he's dead now, so. Come up behind me, why don't you? Like, I'll. My gosh. I'm not gonna rage. I'm not gonna rage because I'm better than that. Oh my god, he had a fucking wrench. Oh my. Oh. Okay. That was scary. There's two of them. Of course you're using a shotgun. Like a. My. Okay. I hate you, bro. I freaking hate you. Ah! He's a witch!
Sector KIA. Medic armor drained. EKIA.
KIA. No! Aw, I died. Meh.
Be advised. Hostile care
Meh.
package overhead.
Fuckers. I hear footsteps. Oh, there you are.
Be advised. Hostile target set.
Oh my god.
Tango down. That's a kill.
It's a purifier. Oh, get owned, boo. Get owned.
Assault unit down.
UAV ready for deployment.
Battery.
No, no, no! That gun takes like 2 shots. I hate the gore gun. So irritating. It's so overpowered.
Forcer splashed.
What he was? Oh my god. Of course you have a VMP. Oh, okay. I saw him, but I wanted to kill the guy in front of me, and then I was gonna turn off the other guy, but I guess it didn't work. Okay, that's cute. Oh, sentry gun. Of course. Oh my god. Aw. Pistol, 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 pistol. Double kill. Yeet. Wow, of course you have a freaking annihilator. So freaking cute. You just stole my kill. Care package, care package. Oh my god, it's mine. I want it. No. Wow, that's mine. I deserve it. I killed him, not you. Well, I guess you killed me, so you kind of do deserve it. No. Aw. Took it already. I don't know about anybody else, but I hate when my care package gets stolen. Like, I actually, like, tear up. Oh, sentry gun.
Hostile UAV above.
Hostile UAV above. Rawr. Oh, what? Came out of nowhere. So many shots. Oh, and he takes my kill. That's cute. Oh my god, I'm 2 kills off. 1 kill off. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Can I make this comeback? Can I make this comeback right now? I got in the game late. Can I make this? Well, he was only like 1 kill ahead, but still a comeback. And all with the pistol. What? I'm fucking done. Second fucking place. I'm done. Fucking done.